Hey, good people. Thank you for clicking on my video. So I'm watching this video, editing it, and it just made me so thankful for my husband and my kids and how far we've come. Looking at the video, my home did not look like crazy nasty, but it was my first time being able to wipe things down, clean and sweep after getting over a head cold. Shout out to everyone that got sick during the holidays from Thanksgiving and Christmas 2024. But yeah, it just made me realize how far we've come in the past. Like, it would definitely all be on me. So I'm so thankful for that. If this video looks familiar, it's because your girl tried to go through and edit. It didn't work out, ended up deleting it, and now I'm posting it again, but I decided I might as well add some extra footage for those that saw it the first time. So this is going to be a nice little home reset, and I hope you enjoy. So we're going to do the family room first. I'm only wiping things down, sweeping and mopping, but I am going to try to somewhat organize the area underneath my TV. There are like a million cords over there. I really need to buy the little thing to hide all the cords or some type of basket. But for now, I'm just gonna tidy it up a little bit and wipe down that area. to the living room. Typically, this is the easiest room to clean. I spend the most time in here. Sometimes my son leaves his instrument in here. Other than that, it's just stuff left over from Christmas that I need to get rid of. Lots of mails, that kind of stuff that's on the dining room table. I won't be mopping in here. I'll get my son to mop in here tomorrow. But that's pretty much it for this room. So we've made our way in the kitchen. We're going to first declutter this table. We're going to get all the NyQuil and Mucinex off the counters, unload the dishwasher, and clean those cake plates, sweep, and that'll be it.